Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome back to Speedy Science. Each week in this program, we do a fast and fun science activity that you can fit into your busy schedule. This is our last week of Speedy Science for this programming session, so I want to thank you for joining us for the past month as we've learned about science. The Alsop Library does have special youth programming in the month of December, so please visit our website to learn about the different programs and how you can register over the phone. Now, let's get started. This week, we are making snow fluff. For this activity, you will need shaving cream, cornstarch, a spoon, a bowl or other mixing container, and you might also want to have paper towels with you, since this activity can get messy. First, put your shaving cream in the bowl. Then add in some cornstarch. As you want to try to get the amount of cornstarch and shaving cream to be about equal. Once you think you have them about equal, start mixing the two together. You want to mix with your spoon until your mixture comes out coarse and sandy. If you need to add more cornstarch, make sure you wipe off your spoon first so you don't get shaving cream inside your cornstarch. It's also a good idea to add a little and mix at a time. Remember, you can always go back and add more shaving cream or cornstarch if you have to get it to the right consistency. Our mixture is sandy. At this point, you're going to want to mix the mixture with your hands. It's a good idea to just put a little bit of cornstarch on your hands as well, just to help the shaving cream not stick to your hands so much. Just give your hands a nice dusting, and then start mixing. You want to keep mixing until everything is thoroughly combined and the mixture comes together. You know your mixture is ready when you can form it into a ball. And there we have it. Now we have some snow fluff. You can play with this for as long as you like, and you can turn it into different shapes like a snowman, a snowball, or even any other shape that you like. It's kind of similar to playing with clay, so you can use it to make models if you want. And there you have it. Now you have snow fluff. Remember, for as long as you keep playing with your snow fluff, make sure you keep it moving so it does not harden up. Also, when you're done, make sure you throw your snow fluff in the garbage can and do not put it down the drain. Now that we saw what happened today, let's talk about why. Snow fluff is made by something called a thickening agent. In cooking, there are lots of different thickening agents, including cornstarch, which we use today, but also tapioca, flour, and baking powder. Remember, all you're doing when you're cooking is using science to make foods transform. That's why different thickening agents work at different temperatures. For example, cornstarch you might use to thicken soups and stews by heating up the cornstarch. One great way to learn about science is to join grown-ups when they're cooking in the kitchen and ask them about what they're doing. Thank you so much for joining us for this week of Speedy Science. Please make sure to take a picture of your snow fluff and email it to us at the Allsup Library's Youth Services email address. I can't wait to see the pictures of your snow fluff, and I can't wait to hear from you. Bye! Hello, I am Miss Ann, and welcome to this week's bonus activity. In today's video, we made snow fluff by using cornstarch and shaving cream. One way you can turn this activity into a science experiment is by using different types of thickening agents to make snow fluff. In today's video, we named some other types of thickening agents like flour and tapioca. Go around your kitchen and see what different thickening agents you can find. Then, make your snow fluff with the different thickening agents. And make sure you use the same amount of shaving cream and thickening agent in each one. Then, compare your results. Are they all the same, or do they come out different? Be sure to email us and let us know. I can't wait to hear from you. Bye!